Sara.
Philip sir.
And posting them on social media is strictly prohibited. Legal action will be taken against the violators. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಾಯ. ತಿರುಮಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಭಾಷಣ
Actors,
ಮಾಡುವುದು
ಇಬ್ಬರು actors.
ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಷೇಪಾರ್ಹ ರೀಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ತಿರುಮಲ ತಿರುಪತಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಸಿರುವುದು. ನಮೋ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಾಯ. In Tiruvala, making political speeches and creating objectionable claims and posting them on social media strictly prohibited. Legal action. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಾಯ. ತಿರುಮಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡುವುದು
ಸರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ వెనక్కి రండి చెప్పండి
Appeal to devotees in Tiruvala, making political speeches and creating objectionable reels and posting them on social media is
Straight go,
strictly
Chandra.
prohibited. Legal action will be taken against the violators. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಾಯ. ತಿರುಮಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಓಂ ನಮೋ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಾಯ. ಭಕ್ತர்களுக்கு அறிவிப்பு. திருமலையில் அரசியல் சார்ந்த முறைகள் நிகழ்த்துவது, எதிர்ப்புக்குரிய காட்சிகளை உருவாக்கி சமூக ஊடகங்களில் பதிவுகளை மீறினால் சட்டப்படி நடவடிக்கை எடுக்கப்படும் என திருமலை திருப்பதி தேவஸ்தானம் எச்சரிக்கிறது. நமோ வெங்கடேசாய. Appeal to devotees in Tiruvala, making political speeches and creating objectionable reels and posting them on social media is strictly prohibited. ಜನವರಿಗೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಈ ಪಕ್ಕ
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు శరణ్య శెట్టి. సో ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టుడే ఫ్రమ్ కర్ణాటక. దర్శనం చాలా బాగుంది. ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ సమ్ మిస్టేక్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. I'm planning to get launched in Hyderabad in Telugu film. So looking forward. I'm taking a blessing of Tirumala and then entering into Telugu industry. I would seek all your blessings and thank you so much. And all the people from Karnataka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next projects in Kannada, I have to announce it. I have done an agreement NDA, so I'll be announcing it soon. I have two big projects in Telugu and Kannada together. So yeah, after Srinivasa Darshanam, I'm gonna announce it after going to Bangalore. Thank you. Telugu film, yeah, I have signed a NDA agreement, so I have to announce it. So in couple of months I'll announce. So I just came to take Tirumala's blessings before announcing anything, and this is my first media presence in Hyderabad. So with his blessings, I think everything will go well. Thank you so much. Thank you.